thing.
All right, guys, we got a special package from the Lego Movie 2, the second part, and we're gonna open it up. Caleb is super excited. He wants to open it. He wants to open it. He wants to open it. What's inside, buddy?
Let me see.
Oh,
a Taco Sunday.
It's Taco Tuesday on a Wednesday. Hold on a second. We just got the Lego Movie in 3D. Super excited. Okay, so we got.
Are these really tacos?
They are really tacos. Okay, so we got. I think I saw a USB thing in here. Hold on a second. I think it's somewhere in there, but I will get it in 1 second. We got, let me open up this information. Taco Tuesday is back in celebration of the new trailer, the Lego Movie 2, the second part. It's debuting, and it's actually online. You can go and get the hashtag, the Lego Movie 2. Liam, come check this out, bud. They sent us the Taco Tuesday kit. So we got a Taco Tuesday El Paso kit with the Lego 3D movie.
Mom,
what are we going to do tonight?
Can I watch it? Can I watch this?
Well, it says 3D. So the Lego movie, the second part, is coming to theaters on February 8th and 2019. But the trailer is already online, so we'll link that below, and you can go check that out. I only see half of your head. There you are.
There's one of the. There's two.
There's two of them. Awesome. You already opened it. So you can
Let's go and watch one.
That's what we're going to do tonight. We're going to Lego movie it. We're going to Taco Tuesday it. Is it Tuesday?
No, it's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. Taco Tuesday on a Wednesday. All right, guys. Super cute package that they sent along. We love all the Lego movies, the Batman movie, the Lego 1 movie, the Ninjago movie. We're fans of all of the above, so we can't wait to see the second part. I like the subtitle. The second part.
The second.
It's funny. February 8th, 2019. Mark your calendars. Bye.